Hi, welcome to EQC Houses. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create a listing. So let's go to the login page and enter either the email or your username. So last time I set up my username as John Smith, so I'll put in John Smith and enter my password, and I'm logged in. Now you'll notice that the button has changed from the phrase that said sign up for free to create new listing. So click this link, click this button, and you'll be taken to the create new listing page. So it's basically where you put in all the details about your property. Let's just go through each field. This is a mock listing, so I'll just put in any data that comes to mind. So let's just say 1 Riccarton Road, perhaps. Riccarton. Postcode is not that important. Could be 8041. In this section, contact, it automatically pulls the data from your profile. But if you have somebody else managing the property for you, maybe a better idea to put that person's details down, because this section, this information, is what will appear to the public. So if you don't want your personal information to appear to the public, you can remove it. Maybe say you're John S rather than giving out the full name. And if you have a property manager, put that person's email and the phone numbers. Okay, and now in this section you're putting in general information about the property, such as the title, description, house type, and so forth. So let's give it a title. Good location for everything. Being in Riccarton. This house is available for EQC temporary repairs, temporary accommodation. Only 5 minutes walk from walking distance from this field, Riccarton. House type is, you can select from the list. Residential maximum is 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1. It's a pretty small house. Availability all year. Disabled access not provided, but it has kitchen, which is a good thing. Number of beds, 2 singles, and you can also choose whether linen is provided, and also in relation to cleaning. So I'm just going to choose the guests are to clean up and leave the property as found, and they have to bring their own linen. So in this section you have to define the rate range. So this is going to be the standard rate. So let's say it starts from $200 per night for 2 people, and if you're going to have more guests staying, for example maximum number of guests. If the maximum number of guests are staying, then it'll go up to 240. And you can select features that are available in the property: bath, toilet, freezer, fridge, garage, sofa, TV, Sky TV, Wi-Fi. And lastly, you can set some rules about the property, whether children are allowed or not allowed, smoking, pets, and outdoor shoes. So have a look through to see whether you've got everything correctly, and click Create Listing button at the bottom. Now you'll then be taken to the listings page, and as you can see, the first listing has got the listing number 1, and to see the listing in action, click View Listing. And as you can see, this is the basic listing with the information that you've just entered. You'll notice that it doesn't have a photo yet, and it doesn't have the rates information, and it doesn't highlight any bookings that you might have already. I'll deal with that in a separate video. I'll just go back to the listings. Now you'll see that it says here that it's published. That means that the listing is available for everybody to see. So let's say, for example, you go to the home page. There it is. That's the listing that you've just created. So as soon as it's created, it's published. So it's for everybody to see. If you don't want that, you want to turn it off temporarily, or for whatever reason, simply click this button that says Unpublish, and that will remove that listing from public view. So you'll notice that this indicator is changed to Unpublished, and the content has grayed out. If you go to the website's homepage, as you can see, that listing is now gone. Right. You have the option to manage the listing. So you can edit the general information that you've entered. You can add rates. You can add bookings. And you can add photos. But I'll deal with that. As I said, I'll deal with that in a separate tutorial video. For now, we've just shown you how to create a listing. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.